Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Walker Lake, a peaceful spot just outside the town of Schreiber, Ontario. This small lake sits quietly among the rocky hills of the north shore of Lake Superior. The area has a long history connected to the Canadian Pacific Railway, which brought settlers and workers here in the late 1800s. The calm waters and rugged shoreline make it a perfect place to stop for a quiet break from the highway. Locals and visitors often come here to fish, paddle, or just enjoy the view. You'll notice the landscape is shaped by ancient glaciers with exposed rock and dense forest all around. Even though it's close to town, Walker Lake feels like a true escape into nature. Whether you're here for a quick photo or a peaceful paddle, Walker Lake is one of those hidden gems that makes Northern Ontario so special. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Walker Lake, Ontario.
Thanks for watching!